Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our series on Catalyst. Today, we're going to continue on the Redmine integration and our project management. Juan, good morning.
Good morning, Miguel. How are you?
Great, great. Looking forward to see what you have prepared for us. So, tell us about it.
Great. So the first thing we will do today is that we will add some functionality to our site in order to show the project details. In the previous video, we created a table that consumed a REST web service and retrieved the list of projects that we had on our Redmine. Today, what we are going to do is that we are going to modify this in a way that we can have a page where we will show the details of one project. Let's do that then. So here's our table, and I'll go back to the XModeler where I have my project data definition. And what I'll do now is that I will go to the views and I will edit the table. I will edit the table, and what will I do here? In the name field, I'm going to add a link. A link to where? A link to the page that will show the details of the project. But we haven't created the page yet, so let's go and create that page. We go to our site and we will say we want to add a page, and the page will be named project details. It will be yes, okay, to column layout, add the page, and now we have the project details page. So what I will do is that I will copy the part of the URL that I need, and I will go back to the XModeler, and here I will select the name field, and I'll go to the link to field, and I'm going to enter the URL to where I want to go when I click on that cell. I save it. I press save on my table also. And if I go back to my site, I go to the project screen, and now you can see that the name of the project is a link. And if I click on the project name, then I'm redirected to the project details page. So now we are going to do something additional. We are going back to the XModeler, and what we are going to do now is that we'll go to the data source, and we are going to add an operation to be able to retrieve the details of one project. In the previous videos, we added an operation to list the projects, and now we will add an operation to read a specific project. To fully understand what we are going to do, I'll show you in a new tab what we're doing here. And what we're going to do is that we're going to call the REST API, and we are going to invoke one project in particular. So as you can see here, by calling the URL projects, the ID of the project .json, we retrieve this specific project. We are going to add this operation now. Let's copy this URL. We'll add the read operation. This will be our URI. The method will be a get method. And the path, this one is very important. What's the path? Let's use the query we just used to retrieve one project instead of the one we used in the past. And we will say that what we want to retrieve is a project. We say OK, and we add this operation. We save it, and what we have to do next is that we will go to the custom fields, which is a related field for project, and we're going to create a form and a table for this. The form will be new custom field, and the table will be custom fields. Great. Create. That's it. And now we go back to our project and we are going to create a form. The form will be named project. And all the fields are added by default for us. So we'll go to the one which is a custom field, the custom field, which is a relationship. And we're going to say that for this custom field, we will use a data definition table. You'll see it in a moment. And we're going to say that the form to add custom field is the new custom field form, and that the table is custom fields. We save this. We go back to our project site, and we are going to add this form to our site. We'll add a single record visualizer here, and we will configure it to show the project. Okay. We save it and we return to the view. Okay, and we have our project here. So this is kind of working, because if we go back to our project data definition and we go here to the source, you will see that we are using the ID 1 for the project, and it will always be retrieved that way. In our next video, I will show you how to make this dynamic so that the link that we just created fully works. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.